Okay, so we're going to try removing hard gel. This is all hard gel on here, and this thumb here has split. So usually I'd use the E-file to take that off, but I'm not going to be able to do that today, so I'm just going to spray my hands and I'm going to show you what will happen if we file it off. So take the file like this and hold it at an angle, and then you can bring it across and you can see it's filing it quite nicely off there. And the split is here. So what I would need to do is take all this off and then pop some more on just to mend that split. However, if you were wanting to take this off because you couldn't get them repaired, then you just keep filing. So hold your file, when it's on your own hand, hold it coming across at that angle like that. And if you use this finger here, you can pull the skin slightly to hold the skin back. And then the same on the other side. So you've just got to make sure that you are really careful around the folds of skin here. Once you've managed to file, it will have taken it down so it's much thinner. And then if you need to actually use the clippers just to clip the nail off, clip a tiny bit in the corner there and a tiny bit there, and then the whole part will come off for you. So it saves you sitting and filing for ages. Because we're just doing a repair on this one, we're literally just going to file across it like this until it's thin enough to put more product on. When you get around the cuticle area, you need to just hold the file at a slight angle so that you're not hurting the cuticle. So if you hold your file at that sort of angle and just bring it across like this. And then the same on this side, from the middle, just bring it across. And you'll see that eventually we get all of the product off. You can actually see where that's lifting up there and where it's split. So I could take the whole nail off there by clipping there and it will pop off, or I can just repair it by filing until it's thin enough to just put some more product just across here. So it would be like an infill. Now if you've got nails that are growing out and you're obviously not able to come back at the moment and have them repaired, what I would suggest you do is use this method. So take the file, bring it across and bring it across the other way. You can bring it down and that will just thin out your nail, or thin out the product on the nail. And then if you have one of these white blocks as well, just go across, smooth the nail, and then you could paint with normal polish just to finish it off until you're able to get back to have your nails done again. Now if you're filing this hand, I would hold my hand this way and bring the file this way. So you're bringing it like that. And like that. Just pull the file gently down like that. Obviously you can file the ends, but you might find it's easier just to file like this. And if you do that, it thins out the product. And then what you can do is just clip across here if it's too long. So if you clip a tiny bit there, tiny bit there, and then you can file the ends like so. And then use the white block on it just to finish it off. So as you can see, we're getting the top gel off. Coming down to the pink, and then I can use my fingers to press on my nail like that to stop it hurting when you're doing it yourself. So use your thumb just to push on one of your nails like that, and that will help, because it's not very nice when you're having to do your own. So just do it like that. And then when you want to do around the cuticle, hold the skin. Bring it round and bring it round that way. So keep your fingers like this, and then you're not going to put too much pressure on when you're doing it. When you're coming to do the other hand, it's more difficult. So what I usually do is actually hold the file and then put the finger on the file this way, because I'm not as good doing it that way. So I will hold my file like that and then just move my finger down onto the file or down the file that way until I'm able to file them the way I want. I hope that's useful.